List of abbreviations. ACB. Array Combiner Box. ACDB. AC Distribution Box. AJB. Array Junction Box. AM. Air Mass. BIS. Bureau of Indian Standard. BOM. Bill of Materials. BOS. Balance of System. CAPEX. Capital Expenses. CDT. Cadmium Telluride. CEA. Central Electricity Authority. CIGS. Copper Indium Gallium Selenide. CTU. Central Transmission Utilities. CUF. Capacity Utilization Factor. DC. Direct Current. DISCOM. Distribution Company. DNI. Direct Normal Irradiance. EPC. Engineering, Procurement and Construction. EVA. Ethyl vinyl acetate. Gigawatt. Hertz. FAC. Final Acceptance Certificate. FAT. Factory Acceptance Test. FIT. Feed-in Tariff. GHI. Global Horizontal Irradiance. GI. Galvanized Iron. GST. Goods and Services Tax. Government. GW. Gigawatt. Hertz. Hertz, Unit of Frequency. IEC. International Electrotechnical Commission. IP. Ingress Protection, Internet Protocol. IPP. Independent Power Producer. IRR. Internal Rate of Return. IREDA. Indian Renewable Energy Development Agency. IS. Indian Standard. ISC. Short Circuit Current. ISO. International Organization for Standardization. kV. Kilovolt. kW. Kilowatt. kWh. Kilowatt hour. KPI. Key Performance Indicator. LCOE. Levelized Cost of Electricity. LATE-ID. Light and Elevated Temperature Induced Degradation. LID. Light Induced Degradation. LV. Low Voltage. MCB. Miniature Circuit Breaker. MCCB. Molded Case Circuit Breaker. MMS. Module Mounting Structure. MNRE. Ministry of New and Renewable Energy. MPPT. Maximum Power Point Tracking. LV. Low Voltage. MCB. Miniature Circuit Breaker. MCCB. Molded Case Circuit Breaker. MMS. Module Mounting Structure. MNRE. Ministry of New and Renewable Energy. MPPT. Maximum Power Point Tracking. Megawatt. Megawatt. Not. Nominal Operating Cell Temperature. NABLE. National Accreditation Board for Testing and Calibration Laboratories. NTP. Notice to Proceed. OM. Operation and Maintenance. OEM. Original Equipment Manufacturer. OPX. Operational Expenses. PBG. Performance Bank Guarantee. POC. Point of Common Coupling. PCE. Power Conversion Equipment. PCU. Power Conditioning Unit. PGCIL. Power Grid Corporation of India Limited. PID. Potential Induced Degradation. PPA. Power Purchase Agreement. PV, photovoltaics, PWM, pulse width modulation, PVC, polyvinyl chloride, PR, performance ratio, QA, quality assurance, QAP, quality assurance plan, QM, quality management, RLDC, regional load dispatch center, RCCB, residual current circuit breaker, RE, renewable energy, RESCO, renewable energy services company, RPO, renewable purchase obligation, ROI, return on investment, SCADA, supervisory control and data acquisition, SECI, Solar Energy Corporation of India, SLD, single line diagram, SJB, string junction box, SMF, sealed maintenance free, SNA, state nodal agency, SPD, surge protection device, STC, standard test conditions, 1000 watts per square meter, 25 degrees Celsius, THD, total harmonic distortion, TOD, time of day, VAC, volt alternating current, VDC, volt direct current, VMP, voltage at maximum power point, VOC, open circuit voltage, W, watt, WP, watt peak, XLPE, crosslink, polyethylene,